The best way to install server rack battery is laying it flat where the battery terminal are facing you. There are optional orientation that you can also install those battery. Like I have it in the video, it's laying on one edge sideway. I make sure to check the manufacturer recommendation before doing this. I would suggest you do the same. I never had to install any of my server rack battery like this, but I like that it is an option. I usually install them laying flat where the bus bar are facing out or laying it upright where the bus bar are facing straight up. If you're in a position where this is the only way you can install the server rack battery, make sure to check the manufacturer recommendation first before installing it like this. This is the user manual that comes with the battery. You cannot lay it flat upside down, nor you can install it in a way where the terminal are facing straight down. Laying it flat is the best way to install it. Sideway as well as upright is acceptable. Because this battery was installed sideway, I have enough clearance to install the wire and the inverter. If you're interested in learning more about the server rack battery and the video, I'll leave link in the description below from my other channel. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you like this video, you might enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.